To enable the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by downloading the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the download is complete, open the app and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your Fifth Third Bank user ID and password. If you do not have a user ID and password, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enroll in online banking. After entering your user ID and password, you will be asked to create a new passcode for the mobile app. This passcode will be used to log in to the app instead of your password, providing an additional layer of security. Next, you will be asked to set up fingerprint or face recognition login. If your device supports it, this will allow you to log in to the app quickly and securely using your biometric data. Once you have completed these steps, you will be logged into the Fifth Third Bank mobile app and can start using its features, such as checking your account balances, transferring money, and paying bills. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to keep your user ID, password, and passcode confidential and do not share them with anyone. Also, always log out of the app when you are finished using it, especially if you are using a public device. By following these steps, you can easily enable the Fifth Third Bank mobile app and start managing your finances on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential to protect your identity and financial information.